Hey guys, welcome to today's videos. I'm Excessive2 and we are going to be cleaning the inside of my car today with the vacuum that my girlfriend got me, Bailey, and it is really cool because it's white and it matches my car. I think that's really cool. But yeah, we are going to be vacuuming the inside of it because it is getting really bad. But before that, I want to show you guys what I installed on my car a couple days ago, and it really looks good and sits well with the car. And it is the side splitter on both sides. Let's go around to this side to show you. Look at that. It's the Street Aero side splitter with shark fins, and it matches the front fins as well, like this one. So now I have the Street Aero front splitter and the side splitter, and I think it really looks better than the lip that I had before, which was like rubber. But yeah, this one, it was really easy to bolt on. It's just, I just did bolts 5 inches in between so that it is sturdy and on there. So yeah, that is how it looks like. I really like the shark fin feature and it is really on there, and I'm happy about the install process. It was pretty easy. You just have to measure everything correctly and you will be good. But I also can't wait to get the rear diffuser, and then I will have the full Street Aero kit, and that will look good with the whole car all together. And that is how it looks. So yeah, I really do recommend the Street Aero brand. They have great material and it works out really good. So now let's get started with vacuuming the inside of my car with the vacuum that my girlfriend got me. Shout out to her. Look at all that, guys. So much dirt. It's absolutely crazy. I don't know why I decided to do this right now. It is absolutely hot in California right now. It is like 95 degrees right now, but it has to be done. Alright, so we are transitioning to the other side of the car now, and this is really hard when you're doing it in hot weather. Look at all that. We got the AC on all the way. It's so hot. Wish me luck. Alright guys, we are all done with the front. Tell me, what do you guys think? Be honest. Does it look clean? Absolutely. Alright, so now we are moving on to the front of the car. And now I have to be careful while getting in the car because of this. I need to be very careful. I've already hit it like, I don't know, like 2 times, 3 times in the past week that I've had it on. I need to be careful with it. I don't know why, but the back of the car is even worse. Look, under the seat. Under the seat. With my Nike shoes. I'm dying. I had to take my hat off. This is insane. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Street Aero kit. I really like it. It comes out like 2 inches, and then some spots maybe 2.5, just because of my side skirt and how it works. So yeah. There you go. It's all clean on the inside, and it's always good to clean your interior of your car, not only the outside but also the inside. And look, I have a cup holder now. Isn't that just crazy? Look, I think it's the widest part of my car. I wanted to match up with the front splitter, but I got it a little wider than I wanted, but it still looks amazing. But enough with talking about the front splitter. Or the side splitter. I want to talk about next video. I'm so excited, you guys. This is gonna be insane. My car's gonna look amazing because I'm gonna give you one hint, and one hint only. It has to do something with my I don't know, you guys figure it out. I don't know. What could it be? I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the side skirts. They look pretty good. And that's it for today's video. I'm Excessive 2. Bye.